Hi, Mark here. It is going on 9 a.m. Eastern in the first hour of the US session. It is 12:53 GMT. European session going into the afternoon portion. And let's have a look how the US dollar is performing. US dollar for the third day in a row, higher highs, higher lows, started off strong during the Asian European session, given up a few of those gains already, sitting right now at 99.68, resistance 99.85. If I zoom into the hourly, there you can see strong US dollar, given up some of those gains in the last few hours, but US looking to fight its way back again and continue with what we've seen the last 3 days. US dollar strength on the US dollar index, 99.88 being resistance for now. That's what buyers will be looking to test and break above. Sellers looking down at the 99.38 level. Let's have a look at our majors, starting with the Euro US. And you can see there is the downtrend, selling euro, buying US. We've seen that the last few days. Support today at 112.87. Euro fighting back and now sitting, there's a doji candle showing indecision on the daily, or at least back where it started at the start of the trading day. Let's just zoom in on the 4-hour. There you can see the downtrend. Sellers will be looking at this 112.87. This is the 4-hour support. 4-hour resistance sitting at 113.99, 114. That's the level buyers will be looking to get to. That'll be buyers of euro, sellers of US, and giving US dollar giving up the gains. Zoom in even further on the hourly, and there you can see it. Let's have a look at the pound. Also, strong US dollar. US dollar has continued and now giving up those gains. You can see third day in a row, all the way down to support at 132.72, and now pound fighting its way back. Have a look how this double top has certainly played out. That's a strong reversal signal. Pound was strong, resistance at 134.38, and so far US dollar has fought back, and EMAs have crossed to the downside. On the 4-hour, there you can see there's resistance 133.49. US buyers will be looking for a bounce down off that, like we're seeing right now, and come down and test the 132.68 area. Buyers of pound will look to break above this resistance. If I zoom in even further to the hourly, there you can see right now, there's the bounce off the 4-hour resistance. US dollar strength sitting at the 133.16, looking to come and test and break below the 133 level, down to 132.69. Let's have a look at the US yen. US has put in a strong showing against the yen. And there it's carrying on. You can see that. The third day, but a strong day, broken out of this range, and resistance right now at 144.73 from an open of 143.05. That's a good 170 pip already move. If you just look at the average true range on this pair, average true range is 167. So according to that, technically it's already run its course. Of course, it could go further, or if there is going to be a push down, here would be the area. This is the third 4-hour candlestick testing this resistance at 144.75. Could be an area for a reversal. There we can see testing this resistance. Buyers will want to go higher. Alternatively, could be a level for sellers to bounce down off. Let's have a look at US dollar Canadian, which has been very comfortable within the between 138 and 139, particularly in the lower 138 area. And there you can see still sideways, opened at 137.91, even below that 138. now sitting at 138.22, clearly in this range. If I look at the 4-hour, there you can see the range, 139 on the upside, just below 138 on the downside, and right now 138.22. Moving averages have crossed to the upside on the 4-hour. If there is going to be a bounce and US dollar strength and get to that 39 level or higher, this is the bounce that we're looking at. Now stuck at the 138.20s, so buyers would need to break above that to get back up to the 4-hour resistance at 138.55. Good trading, keep that discipline. Let's see if the US dollar can continue what we saw, what it started in the Asian European session, US dollar strength, if that can continue through a US session, or if there's going to be a turnaround, then we can work off the levels that we've looked at on the 4-hour chart. Good trading.